Hazrat Anas bin Malik radiyallahu anhu says, when Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam married Hazrat Zainab radiyallahu anha, the daughter of Jaish, he sallallahu alaihi wasallam invited the people to the wedding feast. When all the people had eaten the food, they kept sitting there chatting, or if they had come with an intention to stay there, and no one was inclined to get up. When the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam observed it, he sallallahu alaihi wasallam got up, and some other people also got up along with him. But 3 men remained seated. Again, when the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam came in, he sallallahu alaihi wasallam saw that those 3 were still sitting there. Later, when they got up and went away, I went and notified the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam that they had gone. So he sallallahu alaihi wasallam entered the house and hung up a curtain between me and him. Then Allah Jalla Jalaluhu revealed, O believers, enter not the house of the Prophet. Sahih Bukhari, Hadith number 4791.